Sometimes a chord can be a little bit boring, and that's when an arpeggiator can really help you. It'll make your chord go from this to this.
I got a chord progression here, and it sounds alright, but not very exciting. There isn't a lot of movement in the chords. Now watch what happens when I put the arpeggiator MIDI effects on that channel. You can pick from several movements of the notes and Logic will play the notes in your chord in a particular order. Each movement has several versions. Also, don't forget to check out the options tab at the bottom. The most fun function is the swing option that plays around with the timing of some of the notes. Try it out in your own tracks.